Nice. That thing record voice?
Yep.
Oh my God. Well, welcome aboard 385. Built in 1907. A lot of miles on this baby. A lot of hot ones. In the winter, it wasn't too bad. Summer, rough. Of course, it wasn't running off an air compressor we have in the shed. Or there'd be another thing you can pull to ring the bell, so you could ding, 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 and signal. Now most of the big stuff here works. Of course, this one doesn't.
Before they got the train made up to bring back, they would stay overnight in here, and so you'd have room for like 4 on this stove. Was because these cars get rocking and rolling back and forth, so coffee pots and stuff would stay on the stove without sliding off. But it's a neat. Like I said, I like a lot of.
Right here?
Yeah, there's one
Oh,
down.
I gotta see it.
Well, it's not restored, but
I want to see. This is from 1897.
Now, I don't know. Again, I'll say at this point it's a ghost story. I don't have a lot of the facts, but if you Google Point of the Gas.
From Jersey City down to Bayhead every day. It was a subscription card, so you had to pay for a subscription beyond the car as well as your regular train ticket. Businessmen would ride it every day, going back and forth between Bayhead and the city. But it's out now. It's just electrical stuff.